Here are 3 types of handguns that every shooter should own. The first one is your EDC. Mine is a Glock 19. It is the perfect blend of size and capacity, and it doesn't print on me. The second one is for home defense. For that, I look no further than the Canon TP9 SFX. It has a good balance of size as well as capacity. This holds 18+1, and it has the attachment for a light as well as an optic. This is really great for home defense. And if you want to figure out what our third one is, well, you got to follow us to find out. It's on our channel, Black Barrel Tactical. Please make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's looking into firearms.